I was given these food storage containers so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. I love the different colors that it comes in. I have the 8-ounce pack that is 12 units, and I love that it is nice and thick plastic material, so it's definitely going to last. The bottom, it's kind of hard to see, but it shows you that these are safe for the freezer, they're BPA free, and they are just really great for storage and food prep. So I decided I was going to make some breakfast parfaits for my family for the week. I added in some of my favorite granola, which has a peanut butter flavor to it, cut up some fresh strawberries, and topped it with some blueberries, and even added in my fresh Greek yogurt that has a little bit of a vanilla flavor to it. These food storage containers made it so easy and kind of fun to do some meal prepping for the week. The 8 ounce is a really great size for a single serving, and the twist tops were really easy to be able to use. I love that it is a 12 pack, so I could even assign a certain color to a family member and kind of make them something a little bit different if that is what they were looking for. And it just makes it easier and more organized. I really love that these are not only stackable, but they're also nestable, which makes it fantastic to be able to stack these inside of your fridge. I used the rest to be able to pack up some snacks for the week, popped in there some fresh blueberries, some Cheerios, and cut up some fresh cucumber so that my little one has some snacks that are really easy to grab on the go. Overall, I really loved these storage containers. I thought they were a great addition to all of my food prep and storage, and I absolutely recommend them.